Now we'll take the guidance for Virgos, because Virgos, we had missed Virgos. So Libra is done. So let's take guidance for all the Virgos. This card popped out, so I've kept it for the reading. This is guidance for all the Virgos from 1st October till 10th October, okay? So this was the first card which popped out. This is the second card. This is the third card. Okay. Now, the first card which popped out is ask your angels. Ask your angels, what does this mean? This means that there is something which you are not able to, not able to understand what to do, what not to do. So you need to ask your angels, what is the right guidance for you. Okay, because you are not clear with yourself. There is something with the Virgo, there is something which is not clear in your head, and you are in a dilemma that what should I do or what should I not do. So you need to ask your angels. Angels means you need to ask your God, whichever God you preach. So you need to ask your angels that what is best for you. Okay. So there must be a special message for you from angels. So you need to sit quietly in a peaceful place, okay, and try to take guidance from the angels, your gods. And let go card has come. Okay, let go card, it is showing that there is something which you are not letting go. It means there is something from your past, or something which is which has covered your mind and your soul with something which you are not letting it go. This let go card is saying whatever you have, whatever you are thinking, and you're not trying to move on with the new phase of your life. So you need to let go the thoughts, bad thoughts, or there may be something like some person who has not done good to you, and you have kept it inside your mind, in your heart, that why he did like this to me, or why he betrayed me, or something. There is something in your mind, in your heart, which is going on, and you're not letting it go. Just let it go, and once you let it go na, you'll have peace. That's what your angels are saying. There is something which is going inside your mind, so you need to ask your angel. And please, if you have kept something inside your heart, something inside your mind for someone, or something like it could be example, like it could be like आप अपने छोटे में आपका कोई एक बहुत अच्छी गुड़िया हो सकती है, या पेन हो सकता है, जिसको आपने बहुत उससे वो रखा होगा, और आप उसके सोच में अभी भी उस सोच में होंगे कि अरे यार मेरे पास वो पेन था या वो गुड़िया थी, है ना, जो इतनी अच्छी थी कि वो अभी तक आप उसको भूल नहीं पा रहे हो. प्लीज़ वो पुरानी चीज़ें जो जा चुकी हैं, जो पास्ट हो चुका है, उसको भूलिए और आगे बढ़िए. लेट गो कीजिए, तभी आपको पीस मिलेगा. यूनिवर्स से ऐसा पीस मिलेगा. एंड यस, whatever you have thought for yourself, whatever you are thinking for yourself, your family, your parents, your whatever you have thought for your business, there definitely there is a yes for you. You will get yes मतलब आपको सक्सेस मिलेगा. Whatever question you have inside your mind कि will I succeed in it. Example, you are going for an examination, yes you will succeed in that. Example, you are going for an interview, job interview, yes you'll succeed in that. Example, you want to start a business, yes there is answer for you. So but you need to let go your past. Let go your past, don't keep it with you. It will not give good, you know, it will not give you good memories. So when you don't have good memories of anything, so why keep it with you? Just let it go. Just ask your angel, your gods, to help you to let it go and cut the cord. That's it. So now from the angel affirmation card, we'll take one affirmation for you all, for all the Virgos from 1st October till 10th October. Okay, so let's see. Oh great, again the Archangel Michael is there. Like for Libras, there was the same card, the Archangel Michael. The same card has come to you, same way as it was saying that when you are blessed with this angel card, you are guided to invoke Archangel Michael to help, protect and strengthen you. Same ways, ask your angel, let go whatever it is gone. Okay, he will increase your ability to deal with problems. Whatever problem you are going through, he will able to deal with it. Okay, ask him to cut with his sword any emotional cord. Same ways I was telling you, cut the cord. Whatever bad memories, whatever past memories, or whatever is situation you were stuck to, cut the cord. Same ways it is saying, cut ask Archangel Michael to cut it with its sword, any emotional cord it is. Okay, and then ask him to fulfill and strengthen you with love. Okay, he will shield you from the destructive thoughts. आपके जो destructive thoughts आ रहे हैं वो आपको help करेगा. Emotions and actions, औरों के प्रति जो actions आपके हैं वो आपको shield करेगा, आपको protect करेगा. So Archangel Michael's work on the blue ray, giving strength and courage. Call him for help and visualize yourself wearing a deep blue cloak securely fastened. This will place you under his protection. He is the master of all the angels. Look, Archangel Michael is the master of all the angels, a great warrior spirit. Within his light you will feel more secure, have more confidence, energy and power. So the affirmation for you all Virgos are, I am strong and protected by Archangel Michael. So look, the cards are saying itself. Whatever answer you or questions you have, you just ask your angels, and whatever cord, emotional cord and past memories or stuck situations you are, just let it go. And definitely what you have thought for yourself, what you want to start a new business, anything, it will definitely strengthen you, and there is a yes answer for you. So now let's Libra has done. So before this Virgo. So now we'll go for Scorpio. Okay, so guidance for Scorpio. Now we'll take the guidance for Scorpio. Okay, everyone, from 1st October till 10th October. Let's take the guidance for Scorpios. Oh, the peaceful resolution has come and no need to worry. And the third card is perfect timing. Okay, look, same ways earlier one, this card had come, right? I am not able to remember which zodiac sign. There is something, a disagreement which was going around your employees or your employee, or in your home atmosphere or anything. ये आपके पीसफुल रेजोल्यूशन में आ रहा है, रेजोल्यूशन में आ रहा है, सॉरी फॉर दैट, रेजोल्यूशन में आ रहा है. एंड डेफिनेटली जो डिसएग्रीमेंट चल रहा था, जो भी चल रहा था, ये पूरा यस होगा, अच्छे से होगा. इसके लिए आपको नो नीड टू वरी, you no need to worry for this. Whatever is going bad within you will come to a peaceful resolution, and no need to worry for it. Okay, and now is the perfect time, don't worry. So it is saying peaceful resolution is coming, no need to worry, and it is the perfect timing for you. So something good is going to happen, so no need to worry. So let's take the angel affirmation card and ask angels what they want to give. Oh, 2 cards has popped out for the Scorpios. One is hope and one is purpose. Okay, so the same ways, the purpose is saying it reminds you that every situation or person is placed on your path is with a purpose. मतलब जो भी आपका ये जैसे पीसफुल रेजोल्यूशन, जो भी डिसएग्रीमेंट जो भी आपका चल रहा था, वो एक पर्पस था लाइफ का आपके, ठीक है. बट इट मे स्ट्रेंथन यू, ऑफर यू एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू रिजॉल्व और फॉरगिव द पास्ट, रिलीज ओल्ड पैटर्न और एनी एंजॉयमेंट. मीन्स आप जो भी पुराने पास्ट, आपका जो भी पास्ट जो था, उसको आप फॉरगिव कीजिए और रिजॉल्व करने की कोशिश कीजिए, तो तभी ये पीसफुल रेजोल्यूशन आपका उसमें आएगा. नो नीड टू वरी. ओके, एंड योर लाइफ पर्पस इज अल्टीमेटली टू डू व्हाट विच ब्रिंग्स यू जॉय, है ना. आपका लाइफ पर्पस क्या है? जो जॉय मिले, सेटिस्फैक्शन मिले और फुलफिलमेंट मिले, राइट. सीकिंग दिस सोल क्वालिटीज will place you on the path of your destiny. So definitely this is the perfect timing. आपको डेस्टिनी आपको अच्छे उसमें ले जाएगा, ठीक है. बट आपका पर्पस वही है, आपने रेजोल्यूशन अपना, वो जो पीसफुल रेजोल्यूशन में आना है. जो भी डिसएग्रीमेंट चल रहा था वो सही, सब सही होगा, चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. तो एक एफर्मेशन आपके लिए आया है, आई एम स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड डिटरमाइंड. एंड अब होप आपको क्या बता रहे हैं? होप इंडिकेट्स दैट द सन इज अबाउट टू कम आउट इन द एरिया ऑफ योर लाइफ. लुक, नो नीड टू वरी बता रहा है ना, तो वही बता रहा है. ऑप्टिमिस्टिक रहिए, यही है ये होप, आपको यही इंडिकेट कर रहा है. जो द सन है इज अबाउट टू कम आउट, ठीक है. आपके रोशनी आने वाली है. देखिए ये परफेक्ट टाइमिंग बता रहा है. So no need to worry, Scorpios. If you are going through some situation or something, definitely it's going to get resolved. Okay, time has come, the perfect time has come. No need to worry.